Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1967 Dodge A100 panel van, and this one is by M2 Missions. And M2 Mission is one of my favorite, it became my favorite so soon because it has some great detailing and it is so heavy actually. So it is made of metal fully, and this one is limited production, limited edition, I guess. So 3600 pieces worldwide. I really don't know how many pieces they normally make. So this is the first one I'm having it in this carded condition. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I personally love M2 because they not only about the detailing and all, but they actually give acrylic case to you for the price you are paying, and you can just keep it inside that case, and it will be really, it is actually really nice to do that instead of just giving a cardboard box like most of the brands does at that price point. I'm not sure if I cut this one or not. Let's do it from here. Okay, let's see if I opened it. This one is really difficult to do. I don't know why they're using this kind of packing. Okay, so just give me a minute, guys. Let me just do it off camera and then I will open it. Or let me just see. It is like I'm battling with someone. Okay. Okay, let me just take it out. It is just a piece of paper actually, nothing much. There's some serial number on it. I'm not sure if it is something important. Okay, let's take this casing out. Okay. So let me just put this aside for a minute. And here it is. So now we need to unscrew this. So let me just open this one first. Not sure if they have some kind of cellophane tape or something. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I'll just open it and remove the screws, and we will resume the video back. So here it is, guys. I just removed the screws and everything. So here is the base, the screws as usual. It is made of plastic. So let me just put this aside for a minute and we can just go over the car itself. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this van is like, this looks so beautiful and the paint job is really flawless. And you can see the headlight here. They put some kind of acrylic. It actually pops out of this body itself. This looks so beautiful. The logo placement is so nice. I really never actually saw the original Dodge van, specifically this one, but this looks so awesome. So I really wish they actually had some kind of openable part here. So I bought this for some, I think 950 or 980 rupees, I don't remember now, but it's actually worth it. This looks so awesome. It has some interior detailing to it. Not sure if I can able to show it to you clearly here. Yeah, a little bit, I guess. This is really nice. And here is the chassis. The chassis has awesome detailing to it, as you can see here. And the entire thing is made of metal, the body and chassis, everything is made of metal. You can see the M2 logo here. So, and the tires are made of rubber. The rims look so nice, especially the trims here. This looks so nice, it complements this entire body color. The grill details looks really nice. So let's see if it has suspension. I don't think so. Yeah, it doesn't have any suspension. So I think only thing is made of plastic is this one. Yeah, this one is plastic. And this one is also plastic, the front and rear bumpers. But rest all are made of metal. Maybe except for the rims, but that's fine. So let's do a roll test. Maybe we are not going to play with it, but just for the sake of rolling. No, it doesn't roll at all. As you can see, there is a lot of wheel wobble on both the wheels. Because of that, the entire body actually also rolls. Okay, that's fine, because anyway we are not going to play with it. We are just going to keep it back inside the case and we are going to showcase it. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.